Well, me and my little wolf man here gonna go check some snares. What you figure, son?
I figured that we caught some wolves.
Is there any tracks?
Quite a lot.
Quite a bit of tracks, eh?
Wow.
Okay, let's go check what's going on back here. There's nothing in that snare. No, nothing there. Oh, there's wolf tracks here. Nothing in that snare. Bunch of new wolf trails. Guy could put snares here. Something happened though. The wolves are all over back here. Lots of wolf trails. Oh, we got one.
Ooh.
Go check them out, son. Nothing that way. Oh, it's a nice one. Rub his back off. Yeah, dust his back off.
What?
Good hide?
Yeah.
Okay. That's one. We caught one here. When was that, son? Last week? We caught one here. Then we just left the snare there. Lots of wolf tracks. That's good as we stay off the trail if we can. Oh, something happened. The wolves are sitting all over. That might be one of the hunters. Wolf tracks all over. All these trails, my boy, we'll have to put snares here. When you come up to a spot like this, where they're all sitting, that means one of the bosses is caught. See all the wolves waited here?
Yeah. There's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds. 6 beds. So, that trail. We'll have to put snares here too, son. Nice tight spot. Oh, got another wolf, son. That's 2. I see 2 more in the back, so that's 4. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Go check them out, son. I want to walk up here. We had more snares back here somewhere. That one's still good. That one's still good. Nobody came from that side. So I got 1 snare there, 1 snare back there, and a few this way, and a few that way. You set your snares in a V pattern, so if you hit Bill, Ted, Murray, Johnny, will all get caught. How many's up there, son?
Pretty nice wolf.
How many up there? 3?
3, yeah. So that means there's 4 in total.
4 in total so far?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a big one, eh? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's a nice hide, almost white. Good job, my man. Give me some knuckles. So,
Want me to go check the ones in the back?
yeah, go check them out, son. We have a snare there. Because I caught one here last week. Same area, this bald spot. Caught one here last week, but it swallowed a little wolf man. Lead the way, my man. Oh! Holy cow, that's a nice one. Good. He broke this tree. And that's where the tree, that's as far as he got. Holy cow, that's a big one, my boy. Look at that big green tree he broke. I see wolf tracks that way. We don't have snares back there yet. So there's still 6 then, right? Because there was 6 beds. Right? Let's go check this way. Holy. Ah, this one's robbed, eh? Or is that just how he looks? Yeah, I think he's actually good. There's no bugs. Oh, no, he's good. Perfect. Perfect hide. Okay, let's go do another loop this way. See if there's anyone else. So, when we set this up, we had a main trail here. So we put our snares in a V. And that's how it works. You get Buddy. Buddy's there. Buddy will be there. Other Buddy will be back there. But let's go this way. I'll turn you back on if there's anything else. Another spot with wolf beds. There was 6 back there. So that's 8 left in this pack. We got a few wolves still here. The boy's gonna try to get a shot. You're behind those spruce up there.
Over there?
Yeah. Let's go this way. Cut them off. Come on, boy. Well, the wolves took off across the ravine. But that's what, 6 left?
Yeah.
6 or 7, I think.
7?
7?
Most likely.
We got 4 so far, eh?
So 3 more?
So let's go look. A lot of work this wolf trapping. Either that or I'm just fat. I can't blame the snow. It's deep snow. A lot of wolf trails. So we'll have to come bring snares and reset all over back here.
Okay.
Right, my little man?
Yeah, I'm
Little wolf man? There's a good trail here. Oh. Yeah. We got another wolf there, my son. Yeah. Nice trails there, my boy. We should after we'll come put snares. Yeah, there's one more here, son. Oh, fresh wolf tracks all over again. So we'll have to put some more snares here because they'll come back and they'll look for this one. Go check this one, my man. He's dead. Oh, that's a nice one. Dust them off, son. Let's check them out. Oh, perfect hide, eh?
Perfect.
Right behind the ears. No bugs?
No bugs.
Good job, son. Give me some knuckles there, little wolf man. What you figure? Go set some more snares?
Yeah.
Bring some leg holds?
Yeah.
Get her done, eh, my man? Gonna give a wave to the YouTube people? That's Mini Wolfman right there. How old are you, son?
11.
11 years old and he's snaring wolves. He's doing a pretty damn good job, I say myself. Give me some knuckles again, son. Proud of you. Now you get to carry all the wolves while I go sit in the truck. Alright.